Hello guys, you are again welcome back to Bay, Being an Engineer YouTube channel. This is part 2 of tutorial number 3. Today we will see regular feature of size, feature control frame, modifiers which are MMC, LMC and RFS, basic dimension, reference dimension and between symbol. Now let's start. Now we will see a regular feature of size. See here, both of these faces which are associated with dimensions are a feature of size. Any cylindrical surface, spherical surface or circular element or a set of two opposed parallel surfaces associated with directly tolerance dimension is a regular feature of size. We will repeat this. Any cylindrical surface, spherical surface, circular element or a set of two opposed parallel surfaces associated with directly toleranced dimensions is known as a regular feature of size. Now we will see the most important term, which is feature control frame. Feature control frame is the most important term in GD&T. It is the frame which is divided into compartments containing geometrical characteristics, symbols followed by tolerance value to define geometrical tolerance for an individual feature. Now we will see how the feature control frame looks. Feature control frame looks like this. Here it's a geometrical characteristic symbol which we need to control. It's a diameter symbol. This is a tolerance. It is a material condition and this is a datum reference letter. If we have to give more than one datum, then this feature control frame can be constructed like this also. Here this is a geometrical characteristic symbol which is a position and we have given 3 datums. These 3 datums are entered here in desired order of precedence. How this order can be decided we will see in another video. Now move to our next symbol, which is material modifier. First one from them is maximum material condition. Before that, we will see what is material condition. When we apply tolerance to dimension of any feature of size, it has a high limit and low limit. For example, consider a shaft like this with diameter 10 mm plus or minus 1 mm. So here its high limit is 11 and low limit is 9. These high limit and low limits we call them as a material condition. Now what is MMC? MMC is a material condition in which feature of size contains maximum amount of a material within the stated limits of a size. Consider shaft again with 10 mm diameter plus or minus 1 tolerance and block with a hole of 10 mm size and plus or minus 1 tolerance. So in case of a shaft there are two limits. High limit is equal to 11 mm and low limit is equal to 9 mm. In case of hole, high limit is 11 mm and low limit is 9 mm. So in case of shaft, when will this part contain maximum material condition? When it will have a maximum diameter, right? So MMC is equal to 11 mm. While in case of hole, when this block will have a maximum material condition? When this hole have a minimum diameter. So MMC for this hole is a 9 mm. Similarly, what is LMC? LMC is the material condition in which feature of size contain least amount of material within the stated limits of size. We will see this shaft again. So here, when this shaft will have a least material, when its diameter will be minimum. So LMC for this shaft is equal to 9 mm. And in this plate, when will be LMC? When diameter of this hole is a maximum. So LMC is equal to 11 mm. We will see one more example for the better understanding. Consider a plate with 2 holes like this. We will write down the MMC and LMC for each feature. We will write MMC with a green color and LMC with a red color. So here 70 plus or minus 3. For this feature, MMC is 73 and LMC is 67 mm. Similarly, for 50 plus or minus 3, MMC is 53 and LMC is 47 mm. But in case of holes, opposite will happen. MMC is 15 mm and LMC is 17 mm. Here MMC is 19 mm and LMC is 21 mm. Here observe the difference between material conditions of holes and shafts properly. Now we will see how we shows both of these conditions. We shows MMC by a letter M inside a circle, while LMC by a letter L inside a circle. Now the next term is RFS. RFS means a regardless of feature size. Simply, whenever we don't show LMC or MMC, it is considered that it's a regardless of a feature size. Means tolerance given is not dependent on any feature of size. For example, we have given a flatness tolerance over here, and whatever may be the condition of material, it doesn't depend on feature of size. Then it's known as regardless of a feature of size. Currently, still now, it don't have any symbol. Now the next term is basic dimension and reference dimension. Guys, both of these we have already seen in another video. You can go there by pressing I button above also. We will see one more term, which is between symbol. We use between symbol like this when we have to give tolerance to a specific portion only. Consider a profile like this, and we give profile tolerance over here, but we have to maintain that profile tolerance from point A to point B only. So we will show this by a between symbol like this. Guys, some more symbols are also there, but we will see them in another video. Guys, this is a summary of our today's video. Please like and share video and subscribe our channel.